Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just made a video drawing symmetrically, and I cut this in half. If you didn't watch it, it's pretty cool. So we're gonna do it more than just in half. We're gonna take Control D and make a duplicate of that, and we're gonna rotate it 45 degrees. And then we are going to delete all this, where we just have that, went too far, that line. Now I draw in the center of the page, and this is one of the reasons I do, so I can rotate this. I'm going to grab my indexing lines, and I am going to Control D and make a duplicate and move the center rotation. Well, back up here. I don't want to do that. I want to make a clone of that. Let me back up, make sure I have that. So now we're going to take this and go up to Edit and clone it. And then we can move our rotation to the center. Doesn't look like it is, but it is. And we're going to rotate it 45 degrees. Then you can Control D all the way around. So if we click on this one, it says our control curve. This one says clone curve. This one says control curve. Now, as long as you don't mess up the ends, so we're going to put another node right there and move this up. And look at that. Now, you could do that with the polygon tool, but you don't have this much like instantaneous control. And then you could add as many nodes as you wanted and do a lot with it and come up with some pretty interesting shape. And you could divide that by 10 degrees and do the same thing, or, just 90 degrees. And let's just do that real quick, just to kind of show you, help people maybe understand. We're going to back up here till we have the ellipse. Okay, well, I need to go all the way back to the ellipse. Okay, there we have the ellipse. So this one we're going to rotate to 90 degrees and then delete all these lines. Anything the virtual segment delete key hits, it will delete it. So now we've got this one. We'll bring our indexing lines back and hit P. That way you have a reference where it is. We're going to go up to Edit and clone it. Double click on or just click on the rotation bullseye. And we're pretty close, but we're not there. So sometimes I'll go off of it and come back. There we are. Now I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Not 90. Control D. Now, whenever you get a mistake, just do it again. Control D. 180 degrees. Control D. Now, once again, this is our control curve, so we can take our shape tool and we can add some nodes. And you could also, I could have added, let me back up here and show you what you could do also. Instead of adding those nodes, just select those two nodes and let's add nodes. This will make them perfectly in between the space. Now, you could definitely do this with the polygon tool, but sometimes not as easily with curves. So you could do that, you could do that, you could do that, you could do that, and look at it. It's making everything symmetrical. And then, as always, take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And voila, you've got a weird object. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.